everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you a very important math formula, how to expand a plus b whole square. Don't worry, I'll make it really simple so that you all will understand. So let's begin. So how to write a plus b whole square, you would write it like a plus b whole square. So when you first see it, it might look a bit confusing because you wouldn't know exactly what it is. But in reality, the 2 just means, like the 2 over here would just mean twice of it. So in reality, this would just be plus a plus times. So a plus b times a plus b. So this is just this. So now let's expand even further. So first, let's do a times a. So a times a would be a squared, written like this. And now, what is a times b? If you said ab, you're correct. Plus a b. Now, what is b times a? If you said ba, you are correct again. Now, what is b times b? If you said b squared, you're correct again. So this is the formula, well, the expanded formula for a plus b whole square. But we're not done yet. So before we move on to the next step, let's make sure you really understand what this is. So we're basically adding all of these so it will become this. A squared means a multiplied by a. AB is a times b. BA is b times a, and b squared is b multiplied by b. So now let's expand even further. So notice how a, b, and ba are just the same things but swapped? Well, we can change that by rewriting this into this. 2ab plus b squared. I just rewrote ab plus ba into 2ab. That seems really simple, right? Well, now that the thing is done, let's add some real numbers into this. So let's substitute a and b with, let's say, 3 and 4. So I'll write a little guide here. Okay, so now that we have a guide and our substitute numbers are ready, we can add the numbers. So since a would be 3, we would put 3 plus 4 squared. This and this are just the same things, but one has numbers and the other one doesn't. And now we can expand this by writing 3 plus 4 times 3 plus 4. Notice how these are just the same things but rewritten. So now let's do the same thing as we did last time. So since 3 times 3 would be 9, and 3 times 4 would be 12, and 4 times 3 would also be 12, and 4 times 4 would be 16. Once you add them all up, you would get, if you said 49, you are correct. Basically, oh, there's a 2 here. I must have written this by mistake. Okay. So anyways, this is an example of a plus b whole square substituted with numbers. So there's also a visual example for this, but I will explain that in my next video, also explaining a plus b whole square. So I guess this wraps up this formula tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next math video. Bye everyone.